Oh no, sticky. Waffle. You just fell in the toilet.
What are you videotaping?
Sure, because the cat almost took a bath a second ago.
The cat is fast.
And Grand Rapids celebrating their new title as Beer City USA in a very appropriate fashion later today. I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town, and those details coming up. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's a way to start a Thursday, Nicole.
Grand Rapids beat out places like St. Louis, Chicago, even Milwaukee. So yeah, that's the latest we have here in East Town. Nicole DiDonato, Fox 17 News.